Are you someone who is under 18? Are you looking for ways to make extra money online? Good thing you found this video then. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 different ways you can make money as a teenager. And you don't have to be a teenager. These ways have no age restrictions. And none of them involve doing crappy surveys or dog walking or anything like that. So let's get into it. Number 1 is starting a blog. If you have some specialized knowledge or something, whether that be sewing, gaming, fishing, music, computers, or anything else, start a blog. The legal age to start a blog is 13, so it is something you can start as a teenager. It's really simple to start a blog as well. First thing you'll need is web hosting and a domain name. You can get cheap and very reliable web hosting from Bluehost. I've been using them for many years on various websites and never had an issue with them. They've got fantastic customer service as well. And they also give a domain name free for the first year when you take out the web hosting. So all you need to do is sign up to them and you can install WordPress with their one-click install on your website. Then you just start writing blog posts. It's as simple as that. Write valuable content that will be helpful towards your readers. When you have content, it's time to promote your blog. You can do this using social media websites, Reddit, Quora, and forums in your niche. The trick is to not self-promote and provide value. The best way to make money on a blog is through Google AdSense and affiliate marketing. It can take a little while to build up some money and get some traffic, but once you have that initial traffic, you will make a lot of money. This brings me to my second way to make money, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you advertise someone else's product and receive a commission when that person buys. So you're pretty much a middleman. 2 of the most popular affiliate programs are Amazon Associates and ClickBank. Amazon is the largest marketplace in the world for physical products and anything really, and ClickBank is the largest digital marketplace. A good way to get started with Amazon Associates is to do reviews and unboxing. So for example, you can make unboxing videos and reviews on YouTube of mobile phones or TVs or whatever it is. Then in the description of the video, you can add the Amazon Associate affiliate link. You can do the same for digital products from ClickBank as well. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to make money at any age and doesn't cost much money to get started. There's so many people making tens of thousands of dollars a month from affiliate marketing. So it's a very simple method to make money. The third way I have for you is buying and selling online. Buying and flipping things can be a very lucrative business and anyone can do it. You don't even need money to get started. You can collect stuff that people are giving away for free on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist and sell it for profit. Then using the profits, you can start buying more higher priced stuff. I used to buy and sell electronics and smartphones because there's always demand for those kinds of things. But if you do the research, you'll find profitable items in all kinds of niches. A helpful website to find misspelled items is fatfingers.com. This helps you find items spelt wrong by mistake so you can then get them cheaper. You can even sell stuff you don't even use anymore. Gary Vee highly recommends using this method to make money when you don't have any money to start. The next method I have for you is learning a skill. You can learn anything, including web developing, graphic design, copywriting, digital marketing, or anything else. The good thing about the internet is you can learn pretty much any skill for free. You just have to invest the time. Use YouTube, Khan Academy, Coursera, and Open Education Database to find the skill you want to learn. Spend a month or 2 going through the material and try to master your craft. If you spend a couple of hours a day for a month or 2, you'll be a pro in no time. After a couple of months, you should be good enough for people to pay you for your services. Start listing your services on freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com, and People Per Hour. I recommend starting with Fiverr first, as you don't necessarily need any experience to get started on Fiverr. Once you have built enough experience, you can start using other freelancing websites like Upwork, or you can even use your own website to get private clients. You might want to pass on your newfound skills to other people, which leads me to my final method, which is online courses. Out of all the ways I've mentioned to make money, online courses is probably one of the hardest ways because it can take a long time to put together a good quality course. But once you have built a good quality course and got some positive reviews, you can then make 6 to 7 figures a year. Bear in mind that it will require a lot of work to get to that point, but it's definitely possible. For online courses, you would need to create the curriculum and learning material through videos, audio, and documents. To get started, you can use your phone camera to record yourself and simply Microsoft Word to create documents and workbooks. Use Camtasia if you need a free screen recording software. You can then use a number of platforms to list your course, including Udemy, Skillshare, ClickBank, and JVZoo. They normally take a little percentage to list on their platform, but it is worth it. Usually courses with video content sell for higher rates, but you can also sell ebooks on their own. Those were the 5 different ways you can make money as a teenager for free. Some of those methods might require you to put work in, but it is worth it. Remember to like this video and share it with a friend. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe or you'll get 5 years bad luck. What ways do you use to make money?